So today, I'm trying something a bit different on my build. I got this ARRTX Acrylic marker sets, both the 30 color set and the metallic set. And I want to tell you something really important. You don't actually need spray paint or airbrush to customize your kits if you don't have them. You can actually get really clean results using just markers like these. Let's go! The packaging is really clean and organized. I handpicked this. Mostly cool grays, some warm tones, and metallics. The tips are brushed style, so they feel closer to painting than drawing. For beginners, this is actually really easy to control compared to sprays. What I like about this set is that it already gives you a full color system. You don't need to mix complicated paints or set up equipment. You just pick a color and start painting directly on your kit. It's very beginner friendly. No mess, no setup time. For this review, I'll be using my Chic Mainland Fenrir kit. I'm going for an Arctic Stealth prototype look. So the idea is cold gray tones, darker mechanical joints, and small subtle accents. This is the exact type of style where these markers really shine. Because instead of spraying everything evenly, I can control each panel one by one. It gives more detail and personality to the kit. For this build, I'm painting directly onto the plastic with no primer. This way, we can see how well the markers adhere to the surface on their own. I'm starting with light gray on the armor panels to give that cold, tactical Arctic stealth look. Then, I'll paint the inner frame dark gray to make the mechanical details stand out. The contrast between the lighter armor and darker frame helps define each section of the kit. It's a simple process with the markers, and honestly, it feels like more coloring than painting. And that is the main point of this video. You don't need expensive spray setups or airbrush system to customize your kits if you don't have them. Tools like ARRTX markers can already give you a clean and good looking finish if you plan your colors well. For beginners, this is honestly one of the easiest ways to start customizing. Overall, these markers are easy to use, beginner-friendly, and fun alternative to traditional painting. Once again, my name is GundamDek, and thank you for watching.